What is Excel? People around the world have been relying on Microsoft Excel since the 80s. Since then, there have been approximately 29 different versions released. Being a spreadsheet program, its main purpose was initially to help businesses track their financial data. However, it is now used for much more than just that. Depending on which version you use, this is what you will see when you first open Excel. The large grid space is called a worksheet, which is made up of various cells, columns, and rows. This is where data is entered, stored, and analyzed. At the top of the screen is the ribbon, which contains multiple tabs. Each tab holds categorized function buttons represented by unique icons. To reduce the amount of room the ribbon is taking up on your screen, simply collapse it by clicking here. If you click on a tab name now, the ribbon will show once more. As soon as you click somewhere else, it will disappear. To lock it into place again, click here. That's all for today. Watch for the next release.